What's up, y'all? Today, I'm installing the Riva Sponsons on my Seadoo Trixx. So right here, I have the billet and then the Sponson itself. Now you're gonna need a T40 bit to remove the OEM Sponsons, and then a T30 to put on the Riva's Racing Sponsons. The T30 is used all around the whole ski. I'm not sure why they went to a T40 here, but it'll make it more convenient just to carry this around and you can use it versus carrying around 2 bits with you. Old Spark, I even had the modified OEM ones where you just drill into the hole right here to drop it down a little lower. Now with the Riva Sponsons, you have like 7 positions. You have 3 on the billet itself and then 4 positions on the Sponson. So here's the OEM Sponsons that came with the ski. The 1 position, and then here is the Riva Racing Sponsons with the billet. Hand screw these in so you can make sure that they go in perfectly. You don't want to cross thread them or strip the nut that's inside. See, like that one doesn't want to go in right. Oh, there it goes. So I'm putting it on the 2nd setting. Not too low where it's aggressive and not too high where it's power sliding. But I will be adjusting it while I'm on the water. I'll bring the T30 bit and make some adjustments. So I had these Sponsons on my pink unicorn before, but never did an installation video or a review video. So this is a great opportunity to do it on the Trixx, since that's a pretty popular question that most people ask. Should I get the Riva Sponsons or the Work Sponsons? Well, I'll let y'all see the video and check it out for yourself. All right, so got my clothes on and it's time to go test it out. Now let me get my vest on and I'm ready to roll now. So I'm gonna test out these Riva Sponsons real quick.
I'll be good.
I'm just gonna be right there. Hey. I'm gonna try to keep on changing the position of the Sponsons. Do like I'm in the mid right now, so we'll see how that turns out, and then I'll raise them, try to get some slides in, and then also drop them and get some carving in. So far with that, I can see that it's actually gripping it a little more and letting me turn a little better, faster. So now let me go back inside and let's see if I go and raise it and then see if I can get some slides in. My friend just pulled up. Y'all know him, Delon. Now, if y'all are in Houston and y'all need some work on your skis, check out his shop, Seadoo Shop. It's here in Crosby. Tell him what you can do. Tell him what you can do.
I do everything. My goal and primary focus is to get your ski in and out my shop in a day or less. This ski here, I'm doing a water test. The customer said that it was shutting off while running. I got the ski and it didn't even run at all, so it needed a new desk post, also known as a safety lanyard post. So we're gonna see if it cuts off, but you know, I try to get you in and out in a day. I have a lot of parts in my inventory, so if you're in the Houston area and you want some fast service, oil changes, spark plugs, or anything weird, hit me up.
Hit this guy up. Information will be down in the description below. All right guys, so I have it set to all the way to the bottom hole, which means that it's lifted up. Now the inner part is only set to, I believe, the highest point, so it's still a little lower in the grounds, but let's see if I can get a slide with this. Now I'm gonna try this slide. Now hopefully I don't fall off. I got things to do. I can't be all soaking wet yet. Turn the trim, put it on sports mode. We're good to go. Play around a little bit. Oh shit! Yep, I can feel it. I can feel it. Moving around in the back. But maybe because I'm not doing it all the way, because I don't want to end up in the water. But this thing is whipping around a lot faster, a lot quicker with it being up, I mean. Grabbing a little bit, but it's more playful in the back. I mean, you still have control of the ski, not like having no sponsons, but I kind of want to power slide it, but we'll see how that goes. But lifting it up makes it a little more playful than being aggressive with the turns. It doesn't grab, but I mean, it's still grabbing just a little bit, but not like earlier when it was at mid. Alright guys, so I just set it to the highest top point where it's more aggressive. So let me go whip it around. And this is mainly for like buoy courses. If you're racing, you want to be able to turn these corners pretty fast and whip around people and just have more control. turning, it will hook it just right. There was no sliding, no play in the back, no play or anything coming from the back deck. So maybe next time I'll probably lower, raise up the billet and raise up the sponsons to see if I can get a power slide in. And because I think it's still a little low, but there was a lot, it was very playful, but still had some control when you lifted it up. So if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the alert button next to it. That'll let you know when I'm putting up any videos or uploading it. It'll send you a message and everything. And then also like it, comment below, see if you want me to do any other reviews on any other products on jet skis. And until next time, see you on the water.